Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If you've encountered screen resolution issues, then please subscribe to this channel. Now the first thing we need to do is to update the graphics driver. So we will look for device manager and then we'll expand display adapters, right click on the graphics card and then we will click on update driver and search automatically for drivers. This will install the best driver for your graphics card device. Second thing we can do is change the refresh rate of the screen. So we'll right click on the desktop, click on display settings, and then here we'll go to advanced display, and then we will change the resolution as we want. So you can click on keep changes. I will just revert back to 60 hertz because it works for me, but if it doesn't work for you, then you can go for the 48 hertz display. Second thing we can do, the third thing we can do is go to display adapter properties for display one, click on properties, click on the driver tab and then click on update driver and then browse my computer for drivers. Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Click on that and then make sure that you do not have the Microsoft basic display adapter but the one for your graphics card. If my graphics card is AMD Radeon graphics, then I will make sure that that is selected and click next, and it should install the graphics card driver and you should no longer have this issue. If this video helped you, then please subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.